And now please welcome Mr. Holger Sante.
Good morning, everyone. Esteemed guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, it's a real pleasure to be here today. My name is Holger Sante and I'm incredibly excited to share a significant moment for SAIC Volkswagen with you. We are unveiling our first range extender concept car, the ID Era, a key pillar to our multi-drivetrain strategy. This launch embodies SAIC Volkswagen's commitment to both the ICE and BEV market and marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter for us in the new energy sector. It's more than just a new car, it's a completely new car segment for Volkswagen globally. Our guiding principle is all together, go beyond. A spirit of collaboration and ambition that drives everything we do. We want to advance together with our 28 million customers who gave us their trust in the past 40 years. We put their needs and expectations in the center of everything we do. And the ID Era is a perfect representative of our in China, for China strategy. It's our latest answer to the evolving needs of Chinese families and a demonstration of SAIC Volkswagen's transformation in the new energy landscape. As our first new energy product in what we call the joint venture 2.0 era, it represents a fresh start and a comprehensive approach to new market trends. It's also a testament to the powerful partnership between our Chinese and German teams, working together to create something truly special. Designed as a full-size range extender SUV, specifically for Chinese families, the ID Era is a glimpse into the very near future. It blends Volkswagen's renowned German engineering with an advanced driver assistance system. We focused on three core values: high intelligence, high empathy, and high identity to define the ID Era's unique design and technological capabilities. Let's start with high intelligence. This is at the heart of the ID Era. It offers intelligent perception in every aspect of driving experience. For example, the innovative intelligent light language system turns the headlights into a communication tool, enhancing safety and interaction with the environment. Beyond that, the ID Era is equipped with an advanced driver assistance system. This allows the car to anticipate road conditions and assisting with driving decisions, creating a relaxed and collaborative driving experience. We've also included the dual-chamber air suspension and AI CDC, which anticipates bumps in the road and adjusts in milliseconds to smoothen out the ride. And for the first time in this segment, we are offering active rear-wheel steering technology previously found only in luxury vehicles. This makes navigating city streets effortless with a tighter turning radius, adding a touch of luxury to family travel. Next, high empathy is about creating a deep emotional connection. We believe future cars should be intuitive assistants, responding to the needs of everyone inside. The ID Era's interior features a wraparound cockpit design, creating a comfortable and inviting space. The intelligent cabin incorporates an advanced multimodal interaction system that perceives the emotional state of each occupant through voice, language, and even actions. This allows for true emotional interaction and communication between people and the vehicle. The AI-powered voice assistant can accurately understand regional accents and, using perception radar, automatically adjust settings like music and ambient lighting to provide proactive care. This transforms the car into a relaxing mobility home. And I'm particularly excited about the industry-first smart surface design, which seamlessly integrates the screen with a decorative panel showcasing the harmony between technology and nature. Finally, high identity is about staying true to our brand while pushing the boundaries of design. We've adopted a unified body design, integrating structure and function to create a distinct Volkswagen aesthetic. The design language is Daci, harmonious and aspirational, conveying a sense of sophistication and futurism in all details. And apart from the design, the true Volkswagen DNA can also be found in the ID era's core technology. When we do an EREV car, we do it in the way that brings out also our classical Volkswagen brand strength. Powerful and efficient drivetrains, superior handling, and reliability. Our new flagship EREV SUV will be equipped with the EA211 TSI engine, known for its efficiency and performance. This shows clearly the experience we gained in our long history so far will also benefit our customers in this totally new car category. This new era is based on the strong roots we have and which enable us to win the future. We truly believe that the ID era's philosophy of high intelligence, high empathy, and high identity will shape the future. The ID era is not just a concept car, it's a beautiful beginning for SAIC Volkswagen's joint venture 2.0 era and a vision for the future of mobility. Driven by Altogether Go Beyond, our vision of collaborative innovation, we are advancing both fuel and new energy vehicles, embarking on a new journey in the automotive industry and opening a new chapter in intelligent mobility. Thank you all for being here today.
Thank you so much, and please take your seat.